Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show us two things: how to create a shape and how to change our background to have two colors. Very simple. We'll start with the first one, which is to change our background to have two colors. Let's go. Now you come to this place, we have color, we have gradient. So I want my background to have two colors. It's very simple. I will just come to gradient, click on this plus sign. So now what I will do is I'll click on this. I want to change the color. Let's do something like this. Now click on this and this color here. Press OK. Come to this second part, click on color, take it here, increase it, press OK. I'll just try to adjust it a bit. I want the color to be on the middle, using it, side, down, anywhere you want it to be, using it, anyhow you want it. Just press OK and press this. You see, my background now has two colors. Now the next one is to add a shape. Let's go. Click on this. Go to the shape. Change it to cycle. Because of what I want to create, I'm changing it to cycle. I'll just draw this a bit. And I'll press OK. Now I'll go to max. Then max my shape. Now enable this, using it. Now you start creating the shape you want. Using it. Change my shape. You press OK. You can reduce it from here, then drag from here. Using it. And the next thing to do is you go to 3D rotate. I want to rotate it down, using it. And if I want to turn it, using it, I position it. Press OK. You can adjust your shape from here. You can create any kind of shape you want to create. Any type of shape. The most important thing you need to do is to max it, then you start creating the shape you want to use. Now let us color our shape. We just go to color, we enable color, using it, and you just change it to the color you feel like using. Any color you feel like using. Any color. We have so many colors here. And if you want your shape to have two colors, you just go to gradient, you press this. You have two right angle here. So this one, I'll click on it and bring the color I want to use. Let's use this. I'll press OK. Using it, I'll click on this. Press X. I'll just go to red. Make it darker a bit and press OK. Using it. Then when you press OK, your shape now has two colors. Are you seeing it? Your shape has two colors. You can reduce your shape from here. Place it everywhere. So that is how you change your background. You make your background to have two colors and also create any kind of shape you want to create. Thank you for watching these tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and see you in our next video.